Papmochani Ekadashi 2025. If you want to get rid of all sins, then definitely keep the fast of this Ekadashi, know its importance. Although every Ekadashi is considered special in itself, but the Ekadashi of Krishna Paksha of Chaitra month is considered to be of special importance in Hinduism. The fast of Papamochani Ekadashi is observed on the Ekadashi date of Krishna Paksha of Chaitra month. It is believed that by worshipping Sri Hari Vishnu on this day, a person gets rid of all sins. Papmochani Ekadashi 2025. Papmochani Ekadashi comes after Holi and before Chaitra Navratri, which is considered a very important date in Hinduism. This is the last Ekadashi of the Hindu calendar. It is a religious belief that worshipping Lord Vishnu on this day can liberate one from the sins committed in life. Every year, the Ekadashi date of Krishna Paksha of Chaitra month is known as Papmochani Ekadashi. It is a religious belief that by fasting on the day of Papmochani Ekadashi and repenting with a true heart, even the most serious sins are destroyed. Papamochani Ekadashi auspicious time 2025. Fast of Papamochani Ekadashi the 25th of March 2025 Tuesday. Ekadashi Tithi begins March 25th at 5:05 am. Ekadashi Tithi ends March 26th at 3:45 am. Auspicious time of Puja March 25th from 9:22 am to 1:57 pm. Papamochani Ekadashi Vrat Parana time the 26th of March 2025 from 1:39 pm to 4:06 pm. Rules of Papamochani Ekadashi fast. It is believed that by fasting on the day of Papamochani Ekadashi, ancestors get salvation and the effect of sins of previous life is reduced. There is a religious belief that on the day of Papamochani Ekadashi, one should recite Vishnu Sahasranam and offer tulsi leaves. On the day of Papamochani Ekadashi, by providing food, clothes and helping the needy, one attains virtue and Lord Hari is pleased. Even if you are not fasting on Ekadashi, you should still eat light and sattvic food on this day. Importance of Papmochani Ekadashi. There is a mythological belief that on the day of Papamochani Ekadashi, Lord Vishnu destroyed the demon, Pap, so that his followers could be free from the burden of sins. According to Padma Purana, King Mandata was very sad due to his sins and was guided by sage Vashishta. He advised King Mandata to observe the fast of Papamochani Ekadashi. It is said that due to the effect of this fast, all the sins of the king were eradicated and his kingdom was re-established. Lord Krishna told Arjuna about the glory of this Ekadashi and said that all sins are eradicated by the virtue of this fast. In such a situation, if you also want to wash away all your sins committed knowingly or unknowingly and want to have a happy life, then definitely keep the fast of Papamochani Ekadashi.